Welcome back to my channel. This is Nikki of Nikki's Homemade Crafts. Today I'm going to teach you how to crochet this washcloth that you can wrap up as a teddy bear to make it into a cute gift. This pattern is part of a very special event called the Advent Calendar Crochet Along Volume 2. It has a mystery feature to it because you don't know which pattern I will be publishing each day. The entire event has 30 crochet patterns. 24 of them will be available free to view on my website. But again, you don't know which one. The 24 patterns will also be available in my membership ad-free and printer-friendly. You can also get those on Ravelry and Etsy as a PDF. All 30 crochet patterns include a video tutorial. If you want to get all 30 crochet patterns ad-free and printer-friendly, then get my ebook at the link down below in the description or my website. All 30 crochet patterns are last-minute gift ideas. The entire event is sponsored by Premier Yarns. Now let's get started with today's quick crochet pattern. In order to get started, you're going to need some cotton yarn. I'm using Premier's Cotton Sprout worsted yarn in the color beige. I'm also using a 4mm hook, and you might also need a little bit of extra things in order to assemble the teddy bear later. Make a chain of 37. I'm going to make a smaller swatch just to show you this stitch. You're going to start from the second chain from the hook, crochet one single crochet. Then in the next chain, you're going to crochet a double crochet. Then in the following, one single crochet. Then in the following, one double crochet. And now keep going like that. Single in one stitch, double in the next stitch. Keep going until the end. You're going to finish with a double crochet. Then turn and start again with a single crochet and then a double crochet in the following stitch. And then keep going and crocheting this pattern. Single, then double, single, then double. There's no increases or decreases. Each stitch is in its own designated stitch. You will keep going until you have 9 times 9 inches or a square minus 9 inches in each direction. And now let me show you how to turn it into a teddy bear. Get some ribbing ready. You can also add a little bell. I'm going to do that. And you're also going to need a couple of little tiny elastics so we can tie it together. The first thing you're going to do is roll up each side into the center about evenly, like so. Once you have it like this, you're going to twist it and pull it over so they're on top of each other, but twist it on the top. You're going to push the one on top outward like so. So there are like arms on the side. You're going to take a rubber band and put it around it. Now you're going to take the other 2 rubber bands and put them around here on the top. And once you have your ears done, now we are just going to use our ribbing, and you can add a bell at this point and then tie it up. I'm going to put the bell on the side slightly and put a bow over, and there you go. You made a little tiny teddy bear, and it's great as a gift in a gift basket or however else you want to give it. Feel free to add some googly eyes, but keep in mind I would not add any glue unless it's washable, so that way they can take it back off. But your teddy bear washcloth is now ready. Be sure to like, comment, and share this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell to get a notification next time I publish a new video or go live. Now go ahead and watch the next video. I'm sure you want to. I'll see you next time. Bye!